We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty tomato cages. List number 1. AOBOCO Cedar Ridge Square Folding Tomato Cages. Pack of 5 heavy-duty tomato cage are heavy-duty. Steel tomato cages are much taller and stronger than the old-fashioned cone-shaped supports and are strong enough to support your biggest plants. Use them for tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, and any other plants that produce large fruit and need support. The square towers easily put deep into the ground, so you won't have to worry about them falling over as a result of the wind. These tomato cages support the plant on all sides with no tying needed. List number 2. 4-pack folding tomato cages. If you like to grow your own plants, especially tomatoes, it is necessary to have this 16 square x 39H plant support cage, which is a good solution to protect the plants from being blown over by the wind or drooping due to heavy fruits. Premium iron frame strongly supports the plant so that it can extend upwards better. Precision welding technology brings tight connection, making it hard to collapse. In addition, the painted surface has great rust resistance and heat resistance. For space saving, each tomato trellis can be folded flat into a quarter of the original size to be stored at any corner. List number 3. 4 3-pack tomato cage for garden plant cages. The tomato cage supports plants and encourages them to grow vertically. You can build a triangular tomato cage up to 4 feet high, or also assemble the stakes as square and polygonal shelves in any heights. With the tier system, the fruit and leaves don't weigh down the stems and increase plant's production. Inside each plant stick is durable steel core. These sticks are covered with a heavy-duty plastic coating, not easy to break, wear-resistant, can be reused indoors or outdoors. It means long-lasting performance spanning several seasons. List number 4. Cedar Ridge Square Folding Plant Cages. Heavy-duty tomato cages and plant support stakes both for indoor and outdoor environments. Manufactured in the United States, these folding garden-raised plant cages are easy to use for any plant growing purpose. Storing our plant cages is easy. Simply fold the cages and store them for the off-season. 5-gauge galvanized steel, spot-welded for long-term use. With reinforced corners, our folding tomato cages will easily support the weight of your plants. This heavy-duty plant cages will help your plants grow healthier by keeping your vegetables off the ground. List number 5. Tall tomato cage heavy-duty for garden. This product is guaranteed for 1 year. If you're not completely satisfied with the product, you only need to return it within 30 days to get a full refund, so you can buy now with confidence. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We will try our best to help you. A good helper for tomato maintenance. After the cage is installed, the ventilation and lighting are good, and the tomatoes are healthier. Each stand has 3 rings to adjust size and height, and 2 cages can be combined into a double height. The plant supports are made of steel with a thermal insulation coating on the surface.